Before getting started, prepare a clean, soft surface to protect your glasses and lens and ensure the device is dry and powered off. To remove the lens, gently push the left side of the nose bridge toward the middle of the frame, then pull backwards to release the lens from its locked position. Repeat on the right side. Pull the lens down to slide the top of the lens out of the groove on the top of the frame. Carefully unhook the left side of the lens from the groove on the side of the frame. Repeat on the right side. Clean the grooves on the frame before inserting the new lens. To insert the new lens, align the left side of the lens with the left side of the frame, then push gently and rotate to snap the lens into place. Repeat on the right side. Push the top of the lens into the groove along the top of the frame and snap it into place. Gently push the left side of the nose bridge toward the middle of the frame, then push forward to lock the lens into place. Repeat on the right side. Ensure the lens is fully inserted with no gaps. Wipe away any fingerprints from the lens, and you're good to go. Visit our help center at meta.com/help/AI-glasses to learn more or contact Meta Store support.